This is one set which we will solve now appeared in CAT 2022 in slot 1. Looks like a diagram, and in that diagram, initially if we read, we think of it, it is a type of network diagram, but it is not at all. Here, the information given, that information we need to understand and we need to solve accordingly. It is a metro railway network diagram. Let's get into that. It's given that it is a schematic map of metro lines in a city with rectangles denoting terminal stations. So I can find it out. There are terminal stations like A, B, C, D, M, N, and PQ. These are the terminal stations. There are diamonds which denoting the junction station. That means in between R, S, T, V. These are the junction station. Small filled up circles denoting other stations. There are three types of stations. So it is basically terminal station, junction station, and other stations. Finally, what happened that train runs in either east-west direction, which is nothing but this way it has been given, east-west direction, or it is north-south direction. This way, north-south direction, it has happened. Now, there are some kinds of information it has been given for east-west and north-south. The stoppage time, it has also given 2 minutes at each of the junction station. Like I can say here 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. These are the junction station. And 1 minute each at other stations. Everywhere, this is 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, like that. All of the junction station, it is 1 minute it will take. It takes 2 minutes to reach the next station for the train going in east-west direction. That means every east-west direction movement, it is nothing but 2 minutes. This is the way it goes on. For trains going in north-south direction, it is taking 3 minutes. So here, one such north-south direction, it would be 3 minutes. This is the way the entire stoppage time that I need to consider. From each terminal station, the first train, it starts at 6 a.m. and the last train leaves the terminal station at midnight, like 12 noon, 12 a.m. Otherwise, during the service hours, there are metro services every 15 minutes in north-south direction. Here from every 15 minutes interval, and 10 minutes in east-west direction. Here 10 minutes east-west direction. A train must rest for 15 minutes after completing a trip at the terminal station before it can undertake the next trip in the reverse direction. All questions are related to the metro services only, and assume that if someone reaches a station exactly at the same time and can leave, there is no any wastage of time. So all such a detail that I need to consider, and considering it, I can find out there are some kinds of timing we need to take up. Like here, I can find it out that every station, there are three number of ordinary station. So basically, for ordinary station, it would take 3 into 1, 3 minutes, and the gap between two stations are 4. So 4 into 2, that is 8 minutes. So basically, looking into that, I can think of it that here it is moving in this direction from M to R. It will take 8 plus 3, 11 minutes. So it is basically this location, it is taking 11 minutes time. Here it would be 2 minutes again. Same thing if I want to do number of station, it is total 9. So it should be 9 into 1, 9 minutes. and the distances are 10, so 10 into 2, 20 minutes. So basically 29 minutes from R to S. Again S 2 minutes. And the same gap, if I want to write it down, 5 stations, 5 into 1, 5 minute. And this would be 6 into 2. So it is 12 minutes. No, 5 into 1. Uh, uh, this is 5 number station, and the gap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. 6 into 2, that is 12 minutes. So 17 minutes it would be in that line. So these kinds of thing we need to write it down. And again, north south is required. Here if you take number of stations 2, so 2 into 1, that is 2 minutes, and the gap it would be 3, 3 into 3, 3 minutes gap, 3 minutes time is required, which is 9. So it is nothing but 11 minutes, this gap. Here to 2, again the same thing, if I want to do, it would be 3 number of station, 3 into 1, that is 3 minutes, and 4 into 3, 12. So it would be actually 15 minutes in this S to V or V to S. Here already 2 minutes, and this one is 2 into 1, 2, and 3 into 3, 9. That means it is again 11 minutes. So this way, the all structure that I have considered. Now we will go for answering question. Now we will answer the first question. Hari is ready to board a train at 8:05 from station M. So here Hari has reached at 8:05. Then when is the earliest that he can reach station N, the station, at what time? It is my question. Now 8:05. From there, some time to reach N that I can find it out from the given time. But the fast train, which one Hari can catch? I know that every 10 minutes after train is starting. So the fast train after Hari reached, it should be nothing but 8:10. At 8:10, Hari will take up the station train from M. And how much time it is taking? First MR distance, it is nothing but 11 minutes. Then another 2 minutes at R. The next one from R to S, it should be 29 minutes, and another 8 at S, it would be 2 minutes, plus S to N, it would be 17 minutes, and there is no other 2 minutes. So this much is required Hari to travel. What is this time? 29:11, that is 40, 40 plus 4, 44, 44, 17. 44, 20 is 64 minus 3, 61 minute. That means at 8:10 first started, so 9:11 will reach. 9:11, option 2 would be the answer. Now let us get the second question. Priya is ready to board a train at 10:25 from station T. 10:25 from station T. Then when is the earliest that she can reach station S? Here timing is required at S. So there are two possibility. One is TR and RS. Another is TV and BS. These are the two possibility. Let me take the case one. Case one, if I am taking TV plus VS location, then TV and VS. At T, what time At 10:25 is here. Priya is here. So TV train to take it up, TV location. I first need to know that T train will come from P. From P. How much time it will take to T? It would be this 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus another 2 minutes. Whenever the train leaves T, it should be 13 minutes. 13 minutes it takes. Now, from 10:25, if you think of it that I need to return back 13 minutes. So basically, at what time train need to start from T? 30 minutes prior. So it should be at 10:12, right? At 10:12, earliest train started, latest train started from P can reach at T. But 10:12, there is no train is leaving. It is leaving at 10:15. But at 10:15. So basically, 3 more minutes is required for Hari to for Priya to leave train T, station T towards that V. So from 10, 10, 25 plus 3, so 10:28 up to V, reaching time requirement is, I know that here 29 and latest another 2 means 31 minute add. So it should be 10:28 plus 31, 10:58, 59. So basically at 10:59, reaching at V, leaving at V, that is the earliest. But train leaves from D, reaching at V, it would take how much time extra? 13 minutes extra. 13 minutes, if you subtract from here, 13 minutes from here, yeah, a major loss will be happening. Why? Because that V, from D to V train, it will take 13 minutes. It will leave V at 13 minutes after. So at 10, if it is 10:45 train, so 13 minutes after 10:58, it will leave and the person is reaching at 59. So basically 10:45 train is not possible. 11 train leaving at 11 and leaving from B at 11:13 is towards B2S. So from V at 11:13, it will move towards S. And the time it will take will be 15 minutes to reach here. So 15 minutes. That means, so it should be 30, 28, 11, 11, 28, 11, 28, it is reaching at S. There is 11:28, one timing given, but let me check it out other option. That is our requirement. So let me take the other option, case 2, which would be TS, TR plus RS, this location, TR plus RS. Now the same case at 10:25 it is, and it would be from B, it is taking how much time? 13 minutes time. So if it is 10, 15, 10, so 10, 15, 10, 28, it will leave. So leave T at 10, at 10:28. That is possible because the person has already reached at 25. So 28, it will reach, it will leave, and it is reaching at R, reach R at 28 plus 15 minutes, and leave are 2 minutes. That means can leave, no, reaching at 15 addition, that means 10:45 to less 10:43 at hour. Now any train reaching at 43 will be able to catch towards S. And I can see that 8, 3, 11 plus 2, 13, exactly 13 minutes. That means it would be at 30. Train started from M at 10:30. We leave R at 10:43, and 10:43 the person is also reaching, can catch this train because there is no any time loss. And 10:43 leaving R will reach S at what time, plus another 29 minutes. So 29 minutes, 73, 72. That means it should be 12. So 11, 12, at 11, 12, 11, 12, and 11, 12, option 2 would be the answer. This is the shortest because earlier one 11:28 and it is 11:12. Now we'll go for our question number 3, where it has given that Haripriya is expected to reach station S late. The station is reaching late. What is the latest time by which she must be ready to board at station S if she must reach station B before 1 a.m. via R? So via R, B. That means Haripriya need to leave station R latest by what time? That is a requirement. From S to R, a train it will take and it will reach at R, and that should be the latest timing so that reaching B as late as possible. Now R, from A to R, how much time the train will take? A to R, it is nothing but 11 minutes, another 2 minutes stoppage time. That means 13 minute I can consider. So 12:00 a.m. train will reach here at 12:13. So Haripriya, 12:13, if it is reaching at our, it would be sufficient. Maximum, latest by 12:13. Now, I need to consider that 12:13 to reach, what should be the timing? That means from in, what time train will reach just before 12:13? That I need to know. So from in to S, from in to R, the time requirement is actually 17 plus 2 plus 29. Yes. So that much is the minimum time before 12:13. And it is how much? 19. 19 means 49, 48 minutes. So 48 minutes is required a person to move from N to R. And that 48 minutes before train, 48 minutes latest before train. So that should be before, just before 48 minutes. So 30, 23, 11:23, 11:25, 11:25. Just before 11:25 p.m., whatever train starts from N need to catch by Haripriya. So that should be 11:15. Should be 11:15 train. Now 11:15 train, when will reach at S? 11:15, from that, how much time? 17 minutes and 2 minutes stoppage time. 19-minute plus. So 11:15 plus 19 at 11:34 p.m. the train leaves S, that is the latest train. So need to reach 11:34 plus. So this question, the option is not matching with me. Now we will solve the question number 4. What is the minimum number of trains that are required to provide the service on EB line, both north and south direction? EB line. So basically EB line from here to here, in this line, what is the minimum number of trains required? That I need to find. Okay. How much it will take time in EB line to move train? How much it is taking? That's first I need to find. So it should be 11 minute plus 2 plus this line is 15 minute, again 2 plus 11 minute. So it is 41 minute. 41 minute from A to B. And after that it will take 15 minutes rest time. So another 15 minutes for rest time. If you add it up, so it is coming as 56 minutes. I know that every after 15 minutes, so it should be a multiple of 15, so it should be 60 minutes minimum. That means after 1 hour. After 1 hour. A train started from A after 1 hour can start from opposite direction. Can start from opposite end. Now it will again reach to this opposite end, return back to this A, and will take another 1 hour. So basically, example, 6 a.m. train from A can start from A next latest by 8 a.m. That need to be clear. Because from A it will move to B, and after that it will rest and return back from B towards A. Then again rest and start from A, and that is the 1 hour time. That means at 8 a.m. can start. So basically 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. all need to be different train. And how many trains? 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. That's something I have to calculate. In every hour it is 4 number of train. So it would be 4 plus 4, 8 trains required. So what is the minimum number of train? It would be 8 answer, because it is from 6 to 7, then 7 to 8. 8 is the same train it can start. So 8 is the minimum number of train required. Now we will go for our fifth question. What is the minimum number of trains that require to provide the service in this city? So all train. I know that minimum number of train in AB line required 8. So similarly CD line also 8. My requirement is MN line. East West line. In that line, minimum number of train required. Let example, at 6 a.m. train starts from M. How much time? 6 a.m. train from M reach in at how much time? Total we have calculated that it should be 11 plus 2 plus 29 plus 2 plus 17. 17. So it is actually 61 minute required. 6 a.m. train from M reach in at 61 minutes after. 15 minutes I need to add race time. So it should be nothing but 76 minutes. Every after 10 minutes, 10 starts. So it should be a multiple of 10. So after 80 minutes, it can start. After 80 minutes, can start from N. Okay. So another 80 minutes required can start from M. Another 80 minute can start from M. That means 6 a.m. 6 a.m. train next start from M at 160 minutes after. What is that? That is 1 hour 20 minutes. So basically 1 hour 20 minutes. This is 80. No, 2 hour 20, 2 hour 40 minutes. Because 120 twice, 2 hour 40 minutes. So 2 hour 40 minute after same train can starts from M onward. So if it happens, how many trains required? Up to 2 hour 40 minutes. Every hour it is every hour 6. So basically 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus another 4, 16. 16 train required. Huh, it's true. 16 trains required because in one line of east to west. So here it would be 1610 required. Here it would be another 1610 required. Here in this line it would be 810, 810. So total, if I do these additions required, 32 plus 16, 48. So my answer would be 48. Number of train, minimum train required in the city to run it smoothly.